Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to sign into Play Store on the Redmi A5. Now, to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now, just tap on Sign In. From here, just wait for a few seconds. Now, from here, just enter your email. Now, once you have entered your email address, just tap on Next. Now just enter the password of the email address. Now once you have entered the password of the email address, just tap on Next. Now just scroll down and tap on I agree. From here, just tap on More and tap on Accept. Now as you can see, this is how you can sign into Play Store on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.